In this video, I'll be showing you guys my natural hair care routine while I'm wearing wigs with no cornrows. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So before we begin with the natural hair, I just want to go ahead and show y'all the wig I'll be wearing from Hairvivi. They sent these cute exotic lashes that I'm so excited to try one day. A comb, the clips, the wig cap, the card, y'all know all that good stuff. And here's the wig. I just want to show y'all what I was so excited about. This adjustable elastic band, like you better do it, Hairvivi. And the bleaching space, y'all already know, the combs, the adjustable bands, everything looks great. The pre-plucked hairline. So yes, this wig is looking great. Let's go ahead and jump into the natural hair. Y'all can see it is dirty, it's a hot mess, it's gunky, it's nasty. So I'm definitely starting by washing my hair with this almond milk sulfate free shampoo, and I'm also using the conditioner by Carol's Daughter. Y'all, I love this stuff. This has been my new favorite stuff. Like, I think this is just on my staple list. It's like it works so good on my hair. So I like to do my natural hair care routine like every week. Sometimes it be 2 weeks, sometimes it be a month, girl, but normally it's definitely every week because I just like a clean head of hair, okay? And it's really important to make sure to take care of your natural hair under wigs. So as you can see, my scalp got squeaky clean. All this shampoo is the life, and I'm going in with just the regular conditioner. I like to put that on my hair first just to aid in like detangling my hair, and it just gives my hair that slip, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, it makes it more manageable before I put in the ultra nourishing deep conditioning mask. Now this, ooh, y'all already know, this is my stuff right here, okay? This is my stuff. So I just apply that all over my hair. It smells good. Like, I just really love this mask. It like sinks right into my strands, y'all. This stuff is the truth. So I go in sections and I'll just twist my hair up into some big chunky twists while detangling my hair to make sure, you know, that product is getting all over. Then I just put on my plastic cap. I'll finish my shower and then I will sit under my dryer for about 30 minutes. So I actually end up keeping the conditioner on like all night, and girl, when I say my curls was popping, it just felt like butter. Like, y'all, I swear by this mask, it is just, it's everything for my hair. And then I'm going in with the black vanilla leave-in conditioner. I really like this spray. It smells really good and it really does a good job at detangling all of this hair, okay? So then I just go ahead and detangle with my dimming brush, and I use my Conair Pro Silver Bird to blow dry. Everybody always asks me about this. Girl, sadly it's for about $40. So this spray just helps me get like a nice lightweight, weightless, shakeable blow dry, and this is just the key to me to getting it really flat without the cornrows. So now we're about to go ahead and moisture up, okay? We like this nice flowy blow dry, but you do want to add a lot of moisture to your hair. So I'm using this argan oil and I'm putting a lot on there. I didn't really mean to put that much, but hey, the more the better, because you want your hair to be really moisturized while it's under wig. So I also make sure to brush my hair. This right here is Jamaican black castor oil. I make sure to put that all over my scalp, and girl, this, oh my god, this felt so good because it has peppermint in it. I got this from Sally's as well, and then I just massage it in. It made my scalp feel nice and cool. I just really love this stuff. So after I massage everything in, rub everything on my hair, like I said, I brush it. You want to make sure you go from your scalp to the ends because it's taking all of that oil and putting it on each strand of hair. I go in sections and I brush my hair. I don't know what's up with these naturals not wanting to comb and brush their hair, but girl, I love to comb and brush my hair. So now to this no cornrow install. I'm just taking some more moisture, Cantu shea butter. I put my hair into 2 sections and I'm putting that Cantu shea butter all over my hair. Like I said, y'all, this routine is just packed with moisture so your hair can be nice and protected and it can grow while it's under these wigs. So here I'm just brushing my hair with a hard brush. As you can see, it's getting sleek already. No gel, none of that. This is like a routine to keep your hair moisturized rather than like nasty and gunky and edges all, you know what I'm saying, just nice and moisturized and natural and just bam, girl, oiled and all that good stuff. So then I just make some really tight braids. It's not necessarily a French braid, but it kind of is, but it's like a short braid. But yeah, I make sure to make it really tight, and then I add more moisture to it. I'm telling y'all, hella moisture is key. And then I'm just adding the rubber band to the end, and I make sure to put that hair going upward just like that, so my ends are not like sticking out and they can, you know, stay protected. So that's that. And then I do the same thing to the other side. So then you want to take some closed bobby pins and just grab one of those braids and kind of pull it like you're pulling it into a ponytail, and just pin it so it can lay nice and flat, and do the same thing to the other side. Then you want to pull that braid and pull it to the other side and pin that up, and do the same to the other side, and there you go. You got like a nice flat head of hair. And next you want to make sure you're using a fresh stocking cap, okay? Because them things nice and tight, you know what I'm saying, and it'll help to lay your hair down even further. And then another important thing is this here wig grip. Y'all, I love this wig grip because I am not gluing down my frontals, doing all that stuff at this moment. So this wig grip is good for like laying my hair flat, and it's also great for keeping that wig on. So next we're going to jump into this here Valentina wig, and of course I'm just starting by cutting off that lace. And here I just want to show y'all the hair like straight out the box, how it's already pre-styled. It was a nice loose curl. It was actually really pretty, super cute. You could just put this right on your head and kind of just like fix up the front and wear it just like this. But I decided I wanted some like big Beyonce hair, you know, the real big signature Beyonce hair. So I decided to go ahead and style it. I'm using this argan oil just for a little bit of shine, and I'm going in with my curling wand, and I'm just gonna do some curls all over, and then in the end I'll like comb them out, brush them out for a really big voluminous look. Alright, so now it's time to put on this hair wig. Make sure your bands is nice and adjusted so everything can fit nice and snug. And when I tell y'all this wig fit like a glove, I was like, what? Okay, yes. And just giving you a close-up of this hairline, like no meltdown, no nothing. When your wig is nice and tight and secure, you don't really have to worry about gluing it down and all the extra stuff. So I just did a little bit of baby hair where my part was. I really wasn't worried about the whole hairline because I was just wearing it in this middle part, and these are my results. Yes, girl, Beyonce hair flip. So make sure you thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click those links down below, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.